393. 393.
I really meant to say 400, but I said 5. I don't know why I said 5. Don't question it.
See how they just over there talking shit. Just talking all type of shit.
Do it one time, and then you can drop it.
Right, bro.
You gotta do it for the people. Do it for the people.
They don't know it's over for it, but that's the shit that matters.
You gotta show them it's over for it.
You gotta show them.
You think we can try to break 400 and then turn it back down? Yeah. God. I looked the other way for 1 second, bro.
I mean, I wish I had my bumper, right?
Facts. Bro, they about to try to pick this shit up, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro, he almost dropped this shit on his foot, bro.
He's probably whoever the hell's strong.
Bruh. Nah, that's crazy, bro. Nothing in the back.
Here, I sit in this. I could be the brakes, bro.
Time to go.
Watch out. Watch out.
Smell like straight gas.
Me and the boys did it, really did this shit. We did that shit, bro. We did that. Oh! You're acting, bro. Bro, where the E85 at, bro? Huh? Thirsty ass bitch, bro. I'm tired of feeling this car up. The boost by gear shit is real, like. Bro, I don't know how to describe it, bro, but this car feels crazy. I feel like you in a. I
get it out.
I don't have words, bro.
This is exactly how it feels. Like yesterday, BMW like flew in front of me, bro. That's how that shit felt when he was in front of me. I was like, what? I was like, on the gas. I was like,
I'm gonna tilt back to a stand.
We gonna just chill back here.
Alright, y'all, let's go. I think I'm gonna have to fill up on the way home. A little bit of fuel started leaking out the fuel rail. Until I can get home and put Teflon tape, I put some electrical tape. Hopefully it'll hold a little bit.
In the comments gonna be like, why y'all put electrical? I'm trying to get home.
Did he know?
I know what you're doing. It's a Corey. How fast was that? Don't tell me. That was not 30. 300 felt like.
Yeah, Chido, we on the side of the street.
Pablo.
Filming some flybys real quick.